am a diploma student at the LCP, now running an NHS Psychodrama group on a Tuesday, and soon to begin running a group for women prisoners on a Friday. On the other days of the week I teach drama in a girls' school. Each month I face the prospect of a weekend working at the LCP with excited anticipation and a wish for more relaxing activities after a long week at work. But one of the best things about the learning at the LCP is the way that Moreno's philosophy is incorporated into the teaching methodology. It's always interesting and different. For example, on Friday the 16th of November, our tutor Maxine decided to spend an hour using sociometry in response to some group issues that had arisen. Responding to questions such as, who do you consider the authority in the group, or whom do you feel unseen by, required me to re-evaluate my role as a senior student who could do more to welcome in the new cohort who began in September. I always come home at the end of the month of learning with some new ideas under my belt and a renewed sense of the magic of psychodrama. The London Centre for Psychodrama Group and Individual Psychotherapy is taking applications now for the September 2019 intake. Please go to londoncenterforpsychodrama.org for application guidelines and a description of the training.